In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden niches on Etsy using trending keywords. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can take action right away. The idea is to use what real shoppers are already searching for, then narrow in on opportunities with less competition but strong buyer intent. Start by going to the Etsy website and typing a product idea into the search bar. As you type, Etsy will start showing suggested search terms. These suggestions aren't random, they're based on what buyers are currently typing in, which makes them an excellent source of trending keyword ideas. Pay attention to the phrasing you see pop up. If a suggestion keeps appearing in slightly different forms, that's a hint that people are actively looking for it. From there, focus on long tail keywords. These are longer, more specific search phrases with clear intent like teacher planner printable or wedding welcome sign template. Long tail terms usually have fewer competing listings while still attracting ready to buy shoppers. Think about who the item is for, the format, the occasion, or any defining features. That specificity helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Next, open several listings that show up for the keywords you're considering and look at how many results Etsy displays at the top of the search page. If that number is relatively low compared to broader terms and the product type looks popular, you may have found a hidden niche opportunity. This balance, lower competition with steady demand, is what you're aiming for. While you're on those listings, scroll down to the bottom to see the tags and other details used by successful sellers. Tags often mirror the exact phrases buyers type, so noticing which terms repeat can confirm that your long tail keyword choice aligns with shopper behavior. You can also observe how the price is positioned relative to similar items, which gives you context for your own offer. Once you've zeroed in on a promising keyword, write a clear title and description for your product, and publish the listing. Use your main long tail phrase naturally in the title, and in the description explain exactly what the buyer receives, who it's for, and how it's used. Clarity helps search visibility and builds trust. Finally, when someone purchases your digital product, Etsy will automatically deliver the PDF that contains the template link, so fulfillment happens instantly without extra steps from you. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.